Now this is the SEMA Datsun 260Z, and this car is far from an easy build. But with equipment like the new Revopoint MetroX Pro, it's going to make things much easier. Now, as this car is completely custom built, some of the issues we've got is actually things like the front end radiator and cooler fitment. Now, we're going to have to make brackets for all that, or some blanking plates, things like that for this front end. Now, we can either do that by walking backwards and forwards to the bench and back here with a measuring tape and bits of metal, or in this case, we can actually use one of our sponsors, the Revopoint MetroX Pro. The Revopoint MetroX Pro is a metrology grade blue light hybrid 3D scanner designed for high accuracy scanning of small to medium sized parts. It combines blue laser lines with full field structured blue light, so you can switch between raw accuracy and high speed capture depending on the job. In laser mode, it projects 30 cross laser lines or 15 parallel laser lines, and in full field mode it throws up 62 lines of structured blue light over your part. Now, Revopoint were kind enough to send me this marker kit as well, but definitely worth getting your hands on. Now, the kit includes this tripod, which is adjustable and extendable, and it also includes the turntable, which is powered and does tilt. Now, once you've installed the software, which is very, very simple, all you actually need then is the scanner itself, a power cable, and the data cable. It's as simple to set up as that. Now, downloading the software is very easy straight from the Revopoint website, and it automatically recognises your scanner. Once you've loaded your software up and you've plugged your scanner in, which again is very easy, we've then got to mark up the area that we want to scan. Now, this is very symmetrical, both sides. So all we're going to do is scan one side and mirror that to the other side. And Revopoint had very generously sent us a marker kit. So we're going to use those magnetic markers. They stick on like that. And we're just going to mark up this one half area, then we're going to scan it. In terms of speed, in the multi-line laser modes, it can capture up to 800,000 points per second. And in the full field structured light mode, it can go up to 7 million points per second. That gives you the option of very detailed work with lasers, or high throughput scanning with a full field mode, when you just need to get geometry into CAD quickly. Now, once you've started a new project, you just have to press the start button on the handheld scanner. Now, the volumetric accuracy is 0.02mm plus 0.04mm times the object length in meters. That means for a small 10cm object, the error is just 0.024mm, and for half a meter object it's around 0.04mm, which is good enough for many inspection, reverse engineering and fixturing jobs. Now, in layman's terms, what that means is it's incredibly accurate but still affordable. Right, from there, as you can see, it has a lot of these floating anomalies on there. These are just things it's picked up when it gets an incorrect part of a scan, but that's very easy to sort. All we do is we click this complete button. That gives us this kind of 3D scan, but with still the anomalies on there. Then what we do is this one click button in the top corner here. Click on that. We click on the apply button just here, and away she goes. And there it is. Absolutely fantastic. Any remaining anomalies, you can actually circle them and blank them out, which we will be going through in more detail in a separate video. But these are where the markers were, these holes, and you can even patch them up. Now, to fill the holes where the markers have been, again, it is very, very easy. You click the fill holes button, you highlight the holes you want it to fill, and you just click apply. That is it. You don't even have to do it in one stage, you can do it in a couple of stages. Now the results speak for themselves. Very precise, very easy, and very affordable. And that's it. A scan of that quality in about 20 to 30 minutes. Absolutely incredible. So, my verdict on the Revopoint MetroX Pro. Well, I've made it clear for a while now that Revopoint Metro series are my go-to scanners. The build quality of the equipment is superb, the accuracy is second to none, and more importantly, they are so easy to use. And the MetroX Pro is no exception. It's just more affordable for a professional grade 3D scanner. So if you want more information about the MetroX Pro, click the link in our description below, and don't forget to subscribe. And that said, we will see you in the next one.